Hello everyone, I am Saloni Dash from Microsoft Research India, and I will be presenting our paper, Evaluating and Mitigating Bias in Image Classifiers, a causal perspective using counterfactuals. Say we have a classifier that predicts attractiveness of a face, and we want to evaluate whether it's biased with respect to skin color. So for instance, say that it predicts attractive for a face with pale skin. And now we want to check whether its prediction remains the same if the individual was dark-skinned instead. One way to do this is through association, where we check if the classifier's output is the same for another person in the dataset who is dark-skinned. However, if the label does change, we don't know for sure whether the change is because of skin color or other changes in the image being compared. This is where counterfactual reasoning comes into play. In the case of counterfactuals, only the attribute in question is changed, keeping everything else constant. So here, the face is made dark-skinned without changing anything else about the face. So if the label of the classifier does change, we know it's only because of the skin color. I will now present our proposed model for counterfactual generation, ImageCFGen. ImageCFGen is a GAN-based generator model that generates counterfactuals in accordance with the underlying causal graph. In the workflow here, the image is denoted by X and the attributes of the image by A. The top half of the figure shows the CF generation procedure, and the bottom half of the figure shows the reconstruction procedure. The reconstructed image XR and the counterfactual image XC are used for downstream tasks like fairness evaluation of a classifier. The encoder and decoder of ImageCFGen are modeled using the adversarially learned inference laws. We improve on the vanilla ALI model by switching the generator to a style-based generator that implicitly learns separations of high-level attributes of the image. Moreover, we improve on the reconstructions of ALI by using a cyclic cost minimization algorithm. We then use the generated counterfactuals to evaluate the fairness of a classifier, explain the classifier's decisions, as well as mitigate the identified biases. To demonstrate the efficacy of ImageCFGen counterfactuals, we generate counterfactuals for the Morphomenos dataset. We qualitatively observe that 1. ImageCFGen generates valid CFs with respect to the attributes, and 2. The generated counterfactuals respect the underlying causal structure. Moreover, on comparison with state-of-the-art VAE-based counterfactual generator DeepSCM, we find that the counterfactuals from ImageCFGen are comparable with those from DeepSCM. Similarly, we generate counterfactuals for the CelebA dataset. We find that the counterfactuals from ImageCFGen are superior in quality with respect to those from our implementation of DeepSCM, wherein we find that the counterfactuals from DeepSCM are only partially able to change the hair color or skin color. We then use the generated counterfactuals to evaluate the fairness of a classifier that predicts attractiveness of a face. We find that the classifier is biased with respect to black hair in pale, blonde hair in pale, and brown hair in pale. We also use the generated counterfactuals to explain the decisions of a classifier. We find that it is positively biased towards attributes like pale skin, heavy makeup, and negatively biased towards attributes like bald or receding hairline. We finally use the generated counterfactuals to mitigate the identified biases previously. And we show that we are able to reduce the biases of the classifier without compromising on the accuracy. In conclusion, our contributions include ImageCFGen, a novel method that uses inference in a GAN-like framework to generate counterfactuals based on attributes learned from a known causal graph, and then using the generated counterfactuals to evaluate fairness of an image classifier, mitigate the identified biases, and explain its decisions. However, our approach has a few limitations. Firstly, the CF generation method relies on accurate knowledge of the causal graph, which is not always accessible. Secondly, it uses a statistical model that can have unknown failure modes in generating meaningful counterfactuals. Therefore, our work should be seen as a prototype in generating counterfactuals and is not suitable for deployment. Thank you.